This video is about document versions in SharePoint and using them to recover data. Let's go to your site, Documents. And then we're going to click on the list settings. I want to show you where the settings are so you can make sure all your libraries have versions enabled. So over to the left, we're going to look under Version Settings. By default, it comes with 500. I believe that's kind of excessive. I usually tailor it down to about anywhere between 10 and 100. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the library. And let's go down to one of the files and view the version history. So we're going to go down to Version History. So there's some prior versions. When you click on the drop down, you see View, Restore, Delete. If you click View, it'll give you properties of the date. If you actually click on the file, it'll allow you to open it up. If you click Restore, it'll restore the date to that particular version. So if you know roughly when the document was updated and the data was lost, you can go into Versions, restore it from that time, and get your data back. Hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.